comment nous y est? So, jeudi, c'est un autre show. Jeudi, on a commencé un autre vlog, ok? So, enjoy it.
It's your special day, time to celebrate. You're another year older, don't you hesitate. Cake and candles, presents and joy. Happy birthday to you.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying. Or maybe they look big, but they don't. They look like they're fitted. I was looking at. These are cute too.
Let me see.
But they had the little short. I didn't.
Oh yeah.
They had little cute shorts.
Hi guys, so jeudi c'est 1er juin. Là nous venons dans Walmart parce que plan c'est pour nous comme si pour nous mettre même page parce que pas voulait c'est pas ce que non. So là nous venons acheter pyjama pour nous match. Birthday girl. Excuse him. What was Vini? Wait, it really looks good. It looks. Wait. Happy birthday to me.
Oh, spaghetti. I'm about to say.
Birthday you, for you. Happy birthday you. Like a gift to me. Congratulations on your name. Happy birthday you. Hope you are happy. Blow out the candles, make a wish.
So c'est ma pensée pour
I'm that bitch, give a fuck who don't like me. It's gonna turn those flaws.
What you want?
With every passing year, you better do your best.
So you lost some, that's your fault. Start some shit, oh, broke down, just
All around. Happy birthday, you. Let the love abound. Happy birthday, you. For you. Happy birthday, you. Like a gift.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
Yes, bow your head, child. Bow your head.
Okay. Make a wish.
For you, happy birthday to you. Like a gift to me. Congratulations on your day. Happy birthday to you. Hope you are the happiest. Happy birthday to you. For you. May all your wishes come true. Happy birthday to you. Like this your special day, time to celebrate.